Welcome to the Futurist Public Intellectual. On June 13th, 2024, the Supreme Court unanimously decided that the Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine, a pro-life medical association, did not have Article 3 standing to bring the lawsuit, and thus Mifepristone survives judicial scrutiny unscathed. Before I delve into FDA v. Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine, I want to point out yet again that even though it was a controversial abortion pill case, the Supreme Court was unanimous in its decision, despite there being twice as many conservative justices as liberal ones. The Supreme Court still knows how to adjudicate impartially. While I have to admire the Alliance's gumption, their lawyers must have been delusional. How many times do we have to address this point? The judiciary is not the arena to fight social issues. It's the legislature. The American people have gotten so used to parties suing about social issues that even the lawyers seem to have forgotten that standing is a requirement of litigation. Standing basically means that you have to have a concrete injury that has occurred or is about to occur so that the court can address something real. The standing requirement prevents people from wasting judicial resources on matters that are better suited to the legislative or democratic processes. At this point, it's going to be very difficult to ban Mifepristone from the market, barring medical complications from the drug itself. Considering the drug has been in use for over 20 years, that seems unlikely. The availability of Mifepristone needs to be understood in the context of the post-Dobbs reality that we live in. Since abortion access depends on the state that one lives in, and some states have chosen to fully ban the procedure, any Americans who disagree with their state's restrictions on abortion can simply bypass a state's abortion ban by using Mifepristone. What's great about this regime is that it maintains a state's right to self-determination regarding the welfare of its citizens while preserving an individual's right to do what they want with their body. Any Democrat who tries to legalize abortion nationwide, or any Republican who tries to ban abortion nationwide, are missing the point. The United States is simply too diverse at this point to enforce a national policy regarding a contentious issue like abortion. It is much more practical and respectful to simply let the states and individuals operate separately from each other. Legal Mifepristone is key to a peaceful future regarding abortion. Thank you for listening to the Futurist Public Intellectual.